feel the heat. I mean, you're so close that you feel the heat and you smell super funny. It's like, I don't know, it's like welding or something, but yeah, it's very special feeling. The whole thing is super different than all the things I've done before.
Kilauea volcano has been erupting essentially nonstop since 1983, so the eruption has been going on for over 33 years now. The current flow, though, that's going into the ocean erupted from a vent on the flank of Pu'a'o in late May 2016. And just a couple of months later, on July 26th, the lava made its way all the way to the sea.
Oh, a beautiful morning out there today. We had a brand new ocean entry. The previous flow is named Kamoamo. I think they're going to keep with that. But about 150 to 200 yards down the coastline, we had quite a display. I'd say at about 200-foot cliff, lava dripping over in 2 different spots. And the time we were there this morning, it really started to spread out. When we first got there, just a couple little drips. By the time we left, it's at least 20 feet wide in 2 different spots.
Everybody wants to see the lava flow, but not everybody should be hiking out there. You do need to be relatively fit to be able to handle, a 9 or 10 mile round trip hike. You can't roll a stroller out there, so people are having to carry their children.